In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a client portal in Notion. A client portal is a clean, central hub where your clients can find the essentials, project details, timelines, shared files, and updates without digging through emails. We'll keep this simple and straightforward. First, open your browser and go to notion.com. If you see a login button, click that and sign in to your account. If you're already signed in or using the desktop app, click Launch Notion to open your workspace. Once Notion loads, make sure you're in the workspace where you manage your client work. If you have multiple workspaces, glance at the name in the top left and switch if needed so the portal lands in the right place. Now create a new page. In the sidebar, click Create New Page. This opens a blank canvas where we'll pull in a ready-made structure so you don't have to build from scratch. On that new page, click Templates. If you don't see templates, click Marketplace to browse the full gallery of options. In the search bar, type Client Portal. You'll see a range of templates designed for client communication and project tracking. Take a moment to browse, click into a few to preview the layout and read the description. Look for sections that match how you work. Things like an overview, deliverables, meeting notes, or a dashboard showing current status. Pay attention to the level of polish and whether it uses databases if you prefer more automation. Many creators include helpful notes in the description and screenshots that show how the pages connect, which can help you visualize your final setup. Before you choose, check the price. Many templates are labeled free. If it's free, great, you can proceed. If you're open to paying, you can also pick a paid template that includes extras like advanced dashboards or refined branding. When you've found the one that best fits your needs, click Add. Notion will copy the template into your workspace and open it as a new page. From here, you can tailor the page to your brand and process, rename the title, adjust the sections, and replace sample content with your own. Small touches like a clear welcome message and concise instructions help clients navigate with confidence. You can also update the page icon and cover to align with your brand and tidy up any placeholder databases so they reflect real projects. Remember, the template is just a starting point. Keep what works, remove what you don't, and keep the structure simple so clients always know where to look. That's it. Your client portal foundation is set and you can continue refining it as your projects evolve. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.